So guys, you guys can see this still says Windows 10 October 2018 update now available, but when I clicked download tool now, you can see it says media creation tool 1903. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, maybe there's a new update. Let's refresh the page. Yay! May 2019 update! Woo! Hello guys, this is Julia, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get Windows 10 19H1, which was released today. Today is May 21st, 2019, and Microsoft has officially released the Windows 10 May 2019 update. So I actually found this out today because someone on Instagram DM'd me about it. At first it wasn't out the second I was told, and then a couple minutes later it had came out. And I'm going to show you how to get it. Now there's a couple ways to get it. Windows Update might pull it, it might not, but Settings, Update, and Security, and then check for updates may pull the feature update, or at least it may show on here, because they did release a new cumulative update for RS5, which was OS build 17763.529, which apparently it allows you, starting with that update and higher, an option to install the feature update, but I probably haven't gotten it yet because I don't know, it just hasn't came up. But this is about that update, which was basically saying starting with this KB, we're introducing functionality that allows you to decide when to install a feature update. You can control when you get a feature update while simultaneously keeping your device up to date, meaning that you can check for updates and it won't force a feature update necessarily if you're not ready for it. That way you're still up to date on at least cumulative updates. It says the feature updates are available to eligible devices. It'll appear as a separate module in Windows Update, which I haven't gotten yet. And if you like to get an available update, select download and install now, and then you'll get the update. But for me, it hasn't popped up, probably because it's a staged rollout, the new feature update, but this update just fixed other issues. But pretty much, I'm on the latest RS5 update, but I haven't gotten 19H1. But if you guys want to force 19H1, I'm going to show you guys, which I'll put a link in the description to the website, but you'll search Windows 10 download on Google, and then click the download Windows 10 disk image, and when you click that, it'll say download Windows 10 May 2019 update now available, and it has the update assistant, and you can click update now for the update assistant, or you could use the media creation tool and you could update through that. There are two methods to update this. If I click update now right here, it's going to download the update assistant, and then I'm just going to save the file, and then I'm going to click up here and I'm going to click on it. It's going to ask for admin. You're going to click yes, and then it'll say update to the latest version of Windows 10. One of the best features of Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is currently not running the latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running version 1809. The latest version is 1903. And then it'll say it can help get the latest security enhancements and feature improvements. Click update now to get started. Then we'll click that. It'll say, oh, congratulations, it's compatible. I'm going to click next. It's going to start downloading and installing the update, which, depending on your internet connection in your computer, this could take like between different times. At max, probably a couple hours if it's not a very good computer. But a good computer, an hour or less. It just depends on your hardware, really, and also how much stuff's running. And you could see that I'm downloading this extremely fast because my internet connection is really fast. While that's downloading, I'll show you that actually I downloaded a media creation tool earlier, and when I downloaded the media creation tool, it says media creation tool 1903. So this is the new media creation tool for 19H1. I downloaded it earlier today when it came out, and you can see it's 18362.1, and I have it downloaded, and it actually, the media creation tool looks different. And I can show you guys how that looks. You can see my computer has already downloaded the update in like 2 seconds, which I'm probably going to download this media creation tool on my other laptop I need to update, just to show you guys the different updating methods. So this is on my desktop computer, which I don't know if you guys know, but I just built a computer recently. So yeah, it's actually really powerful. It's got an i7 9th gen, 32 gigs of RAM, Windows 10 Pro, which is a legit license I bought from, I bought it on Amazon, but it was like the official box, and it had the key and everything, so it's a retail key, meaning that if I ever need to get help from Microsoft, I can get help from Microsoft. You can see though, it is updating extremely fast on my system. I'll show you guys the updating process, and when it's done, you could see that, right here, everything going here. But it's going away, and it's writing very quickly. Which I'm actually gonna hook up my capture card to show you guys this, but I will leave a link in the description. Most likely you're gonna have to download through Update Assistant right now, because it seems like through Windows Update I've not had any luck. So pretty much it's better to use the Update Assistant right now if you want to get Windows 10 19H1. So there are some new features in 19H1. It's been in testing for 2 months, so it is a newer dot number. It should be 18362.116 when you're done updating. If it's not, I recommend checking for Windows updates, but I always recommend doing that anyways after you do it, in case they have any other updates along with it. But anyways, I'm going to let this do its thing. I'm going to pull out my capture card and plug it in here so you guys can see the updating process. So I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to show you guys that, and I'm also going to show you guys the MCT method, which can allow you to make a USB, get an ISO. You can even upgrade straight through it if you want, and it's really convenient. So I will be back, guys. Alright, so I'm on an outdated system right now here, and we are going to update it. This one's very behind. It's on the first version of Windows 10, so we are going to update this to the latest. So once again, I'm just going to do what I usually do and go to the Windows 10 download page. Now I could run Update Assistant, but I'm going to try the Media Creation Tool method just to show you guys. It's a pretty similar method, but it allows you to also download ISOs. So we're going to run that, and it'll say, you can see it looks a little different. It says getting a few things ready, but instead of it being like a dark purple, it's now white, as they did modify it to look different now. So this is actually my old main computer, because I had, I was using this as my main, and now I'm using my desktop, but this is my laptop that I used as my main, hooked up to a TV, still putting it to use. So we're going to update it, as it got unupdated, but we're going to re-update it. I actually just set up this install today, and we are going to update it. So this video is kind of late because I had to set this computer up. That way I'm able to do the capture card to my other computer to record it. And I also want to update this to 19H1, hoping that this didn't try to download RS5, because oh no, I think it's trying. Yeah, it's trying, but we're not going to do that method, because we're going to do it through the Media Creation Tool, which, to be honest, Update Assistant is probably quicker and your best bet. See, you can see here, it says, what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now, which just updates it, but you will have to click through the prompts. Not too many prompts, but you will have to click through them. Or create installation media, which you can make a USB, you could download an ISO, and have the ISO image to burn to a disk, or you could use Rufus to put the ISO on a USB. So you could create install media, or you can upgrade the computer. I'm just going to do upgrade, because I want to upgrade this. So it's going to download Windows 10. And I like how the Media Creation Tool gives you an option if you want to upgrade that current system or not, or if you want to actually download an ISO or make a USB. But pretty much you're just going to let this download. It'll start creating media. It'll say that, even though it's not like making an ISO, because it has to gather all the files together to make it an installable file. So once it does that, it'll reopen like a setup, like you opened an ISO and you just click like I accept, next, install, and it will start installing. And then after it installs, check Windows Update to see if there's any other updates available, because as you guys know, my desktop had an update, which I just restarted it right now. So this video is coming out a little late. At least it's going to be released the same day 19H1 was released. I wanted to get this video out earlier, but at least I'll have this video out today. So I'm going to just stop recording this here. Just click through the prompts. But to be honest, I recommend using Update Assistant. But if it's having issues and not wanting to work, which if you already have Update Assistant installed and you open it and it says thanks for updating, then you need to go download a newer Update Assistant, because the old Update Assistant doesn't have the update. You have to download a fresh one from Microsoft, but the link is in the description and it has both the Update Assistant and MCT on it. So anyways guys, I'm going to let you guys see the rest of the video now. So I am recording this with my capture card right now as I have it hooked up, and you guys can see that the update is still going on here and it's 81%. It's using my laptop's mic because I'm doing this on my laptop, well, the capture device, but pretty much when it reboots you guys will be able to see the entire process this way, which is very convenient. So there's that. Alright guys, you can see it's ready to restart for the update, and you guys will see the whole process because I am using a capture card. So it says you're about to be signed out. Windows 10 Update Assistant will reboot your device to complete the update. I'll hit close, just give it a second, and it should just auto restart on its own. And I'll most likely time-lapse this, although I think it's going to be like 5 minutes anyways because my computer is very fast. But I will speed it up. But we are going to be able to watch the entire thing because of a capture card. See? We're restarting. Well, obviously no signal, but it will boot up. And it will do this. I gotta turn my volume down because someone's coming over, so I can't really speak right now. But it should be doing the update, and you guys will see it'll say working on update 0%, don't turn off your computer. This will take a while. Your PC will restart several times. I'll let it do its thing. So guys, it is done updating. You guys can see it says, welcome back. This update is all about doing more with less. We've added more ways to control your Windows experience with fewer clicks and less clutter. And it talks about some of the new features like the light theme, stuff about updates, and stuff about more stuff in the update. So after you update, you could take a look at some new features in the update, which I'm not going to go over all that in this video. I might do a review on 19H1, but in this video I just wanted to show how to update. Now I'm just going to head back on that instead of using the capture device. That way I could see it easier. So yeah. Alright guys, so we are back on here, and let's just see. I'm actually gonna see, what is this tab? I'm gonna pin this just for the fun of it and point on it and see. It says welcome to Windows. Okay. I just like doing that because why not? And then it says it needs to configure. Yeah, you have to configure some stuff. And it says, thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10, which I will take a screenshot of. I'm going to exit that, and then we are going to check what version we're on. And we are on Microsoft Windows version 1903, OS build 18362.116. So we are on the latest update now. We can open our settings. It's always good to check for more updates to see if there's anything else. make sure we're not missing anything. It may not show an update history. Yeah, it's not going to because we used Update Assistant. But I've noticed that Windows Update tends to not really work when it comes to when a feature update first comes out. I've had not very good luck with them coming through Windows Update. They do sometimes, but not always. You can see we have some updates, so yeah, you are going to have some updates after you update. So be sure to check this when it's done updating. Which 19H1 is actually really nice. I've had it on my Microsoft Surface Pro 6 for quite a while now, for about a month. You can see there's already another update, and you notice it puts this update icon in your tray, which you could just drag it back out. You got a microphone icon too to see like what's using your microphone, which is convenient because it tells you exactly what's using your mic. And then you got this update icon to let you know there's a reboot required. You could also go in advanced and you could turn on update notifications. That way you will get notifications as well when there's new updates, and you will get this icon, but chances are it'll probably drop back down in here, but you could drag it back out. That way it'll stay out here. Every time you have a pending reboot, you'll see this icon right here. And you can also set up like active hours and stuff so it doesn't reboot when when it knows you're active. But pretty much that's Windows 10 19H1, which is the May 2019 update, which is version 1903, and it's so far really nice. And I'm gonna reboot this to do this update, but I will show you a quick other method. I'll just put it in the video. You probably have already seen it now, but anyways, I'm not gonna like show the whole time lapse for that one or anything, just for one of them, because I feel like it's mostly the same process through the MCT and it's similar. So you could also download an ISO and run the setup and run it that way too. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you guys got 1903 down in the comments below. I'd have to say it's actually a pretty good update. They've done a lot of testing. You know, it's had more testing than RS5 did, which is 1809, meaning that since 1903 was in testing for 2 months before being released to the public, it's definitely more stable than 1809 was, so it's worth taking a look at. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye for now. Also, just a reminder for everyone, if you haven't seen my exciting announcement video, I did announce a new Windows ISO challenge this year, and if you would like to sign up, you guys can watch the video, go in the form link in the description and sign up, which, since it didn't say exactly what it was on this video, I don't know if people saw it. If you haven't seen it yet, you have till May 26th to sign up, because I think it closes on that day, later in the day. So if you are interested in that, it's for the whole month of June that we're doing a challenge, and you could just, you know, meet new people and talk to people. We'll have events as well during it, and it'll just be a fun experience. Now, just to let you guys know, I won't be probably uploading videos on the challenge every day. I'm probably just gonna upload like once a week of like experiences during it. That way it's not like too many videos. But I will also have some other videos and of other things you guys would like to see, like the mystery file series and things like that. So you guys will be able to see all that. But anyways, if you want to sign up, just go watch that video on my channel. It's the one before this video coming out, just to give you guys a heads up since time is getting close. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.